Level 1, word 44, rye. What's going on? Welcome to Word of the Day with Benjaja. Thank you for coming to the show. We're going to get into a word book called Verbal Advantage. It's right there by Charles Harrington Elster. I've been reading this thing since I was like 13 years old. That's why it's all crusty and crabby. Thank you for coming by to the show. Right now, if you can like the video, more people can see it that way. And then if you want to subscribe to the channel, that means you'll come back tomorrow for another word. Comment if you want me to write back. You get into a dialogue. I write back you. We get dialogues going. These glasses are fake, but they're real, but they're fake. Big deal. Big deal, get real. Thought of a cool idea on a run today. It was basically, what if there was a gym that was a death gym where like you would die if you fell? There'd be a lot of deaths reported. Let's get into today's word without any of this banter. Level 1, word 44, rye. Like rye. Twisted, crooked, lopsided, askew, distorted in an odd, amusing way. By derivation, rye means twisted, but in modern usage it has come to imply twisted in a peculiar and often humorous manner. A wry smile or grin is crooked, lopsided, and therefore comical. A wry remark has a funny or sarcastic twist to it. A person with a wry sense of humor is capable of twisting or distorting things in a laughable way. Okay, let's throw this into a sentence. The gas station attendant, Raya, was filling up my tank with a wry look in her eye that told me she's funny and possibly interested in me. Oh, I don't know. All right, that's our show for today. It's quick, it's easy, it feels breezy and cheesy a little bit, but that's all part of the gimmick of it all. You know what I'm saying? We just got to get in here for a little word exercise, and then we go blast on into something else, maybe a little less eruditious, if you might micious. Okay, let's make some things up every once in a while, and when you gotta go, you gotta get out. So later, see you tomorrow.